Meaning of greaseball.
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 Greaseball. Greaseball is a derogatory slang term that has historically been used to describe Italian-American people. The term is considered offensive and perpetuates harmful stereotypes about Italian Americans being involved in organized crime or having poor hygiene. Its usage is not recommended as it can be hurtful and discriminatory. It's important to recognize the negative impact of such language and avoid using it in any context. Instead, we should strive to promote inclusivity, respect, and dignity for all individuals regardless of their background or ethnicity.